how to create QR code for location in Google Maps step by step. To create a QR code for Google Maps, first of all, open up Google Maps and select the location for which you want to create the QR code and copy the link of that location. So for example, just go ahead and select a certain, let's say, stuff or the location. So let's say you want to create a QR code for this location, right? Simply go to the share option right here. When you tap on share, you will find the link. So first, just copy the link. Now with you using this link, we will create a QR code. Open up your browser. Then over here, you can simply go to this website, which is me-qr.com, which is MeQR, right? So this video is not sponsored by MeQR or anyone, or you can use any other QR code generator website, where you simply have to paste the link that you just copied, which is your Google Maps link of that location, and just name the QR code. So you can just give it the place name. You can also use a content category, then tap on customize and download QR. Now you can choose to customize it by using a pre-made templates, but you can select any of these ones, and you can select a body pattern as well. And once done, here you can see all these options, customize everything, and tap on the download QR code option. And this right here is actually the QR code. So when people scan this, they'll be able to open the Google Maps link, where they'll be taken to the location link of which the link that you copied. Now it doesn't have to be that you have to use this website only. You can use any website to just paste the link and generate the QR code for that Google Maps link. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.